The Three Stooges, Larry, Moe, and Curly, were masters of slapstick comedy. The Stooges' act featured pie-throwing, hair-pulling, and countless head-bonking collisions. In Comedy 3 Productions versus Gary Saderup Incorporated, the court faces a different kind of collision, when the right of publicity collides with an artist's First Amendment rights. Each member of the Three Stooges had died. Comedy 3 Productions held the right of publicity for the deceased comedians. The right of publicity protects an individual's ability to use his or her identity for economic benefit. California law made the right transferable to a survivor. Gary Saderup, a visual artist, created a charcoal drawing of the Stooges' faces. Saderup then used the drawing on T-shirts and lithographs. Sales of the merchandise featuring the Stooges' image brought in $75,000 in profits. Comedy 3 sued Saderup for misappropriating its right to publicity of the Stooges. The trial court found in favor of Comedy 3, awarding damages and permanently enjoining Saderup from producing materials bearing the Stooges' likenesses. The Court of Appeals affirmed the judgment, but struck the permanent injunction due to First Amendment concerns. Saderup appealed to the California Supreme Court.